Hello guys, today we're gonna unbox Kodak T210 tripod, which is a budget-friendly tripod for beginner YouTubers like me. So let's see what is written on the outside of the box. So they have mentioned some of the features, like it has some metal design and 3-section support, and it also includes some carry case to travel, and it weighs around 1 kg, and it can manage to handle weights of so let's unbox it. So first you will be getting a box like this, and after opening it you will be having a bag which is of very good quality, and it has a branding of Kodak. You can see it here. So yeah, and next you have a strap to carry the case and tripod. So yeah, I'll be saying that this bag is a very good quality bag, and it will last long. Let's open this bag first. I'll be saying that this tripod's packaging is very nice. Yeah, it is a very good quality of bag too. After opening it, you'll be looking at the tripod only. It is packed in a cover. So let's open it. And the another advantage of this tripod is you'll be getting a mobile holder for free. So it is a nice advantage. You can you can use your mobile by installing this to a tripod. So it is a nice feature. I mean, they're giving it for free. If you buy this separately, you will be charging around 200 to 300 rupees. So yeah, you'll be saving these 200 to 300 rupees. So let's open this tripod. Yeah, it is in a black color, and I'll be saying that the quality of this tripod is very good. It has metal finish. Let's look at the overall view of this tripod. So it has metal finish, and after closing the tripod you'll be looking into the tripod like this, and it has some small rotatable grip holders on the bottom side, so that even if there is an uneven surface, you can stand this tripod very easily. And you will be getting some foam holders like this to the 3 legs of the tripod, so that you can handle this tripod very easily. And you have Kodak T210 branding on it. And let's extend this tripod legs. So yeah, you will be getting a 3-leg supporter to the bottom side of this tripod, so that you can keep this tripod very sturdily, and you can lock the position of this tripod too, so that it doesn't move and close itself. So let's come to the head section. It has three-way movement sections, so you can rotate it onto the pan side, and you can tilt it, and you can keep your camera or your mobile vertically too. So yeah, it has a 3-way pan movements. You can see the knob over here. By rotating this, you can access to the pan movement of this tripod. It means you can rotate this tripod horizontally, which is called as pan movement in camera language, whatever. And you'll be getting a handle to rotate and control this camera, and you have a leveler too, so that you can see the correct level of the tripod. And you will be getting another knob here, so that you can extend the tripod head, which is a good. If you don't want to extend your legs, and you just wanted to extend some of the height of your tripod's head, you can access it with this lever. It has some lock too, and after extending it, you can lock itself. So it has a quick release plate, so that you can take out your mobile or camera easily. Now I'll show you how to insert this mobile holder to this quick release plate. So yeah, after removing this quick release plate from the tripod, you just loosen the screw of it, and attach it to the quick release plate. I mean, attach the mobile holder to this and tighten it up. Now insert it into your tripod like this, as I'm showing you, and that's it. Your tripod is ready to handle a phone. So let's keep a phone and take a glance at it. After keeping your phone, it will be looking like this, and you can handle your phone with your with the given handle. You can take a pan movement, and you can horizontally move it, and you can even keep your phone vertically like this. So it is a very sturdy tripod. So yeah, we can see here these are made up of metal, so it will last longer. They have given you a hook on the bottom of this tripod. You can hang some of the sandbags to this tripod, so that you can increase the stability of this tripod, and it doesn't fall off from even some heavy winds or whatever. Let's extend these legs and show you the heights of this tripod. So it has two locks, I mean two lever locks to extend this tripod. After opening these, you can extend these like this, as I'm showing you. So after extending this tripod, it will look like this. Here you can see the overall look of this tripod after extending the legs. After extending the tripod completely, you can gain the height to 150 centimeters, I mean 5 feet, which is very reasonable, which is a very ideal height. So yeah, this is the unboxing of the Kodak tripod. It is a perfect tripod for beginners like me. If you want to buy this tripod, link is given in the description, so go check it out. And if you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. So please like, share and subscribe.